In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create GIF animations for Behance. We'll make a simple animated GIF in Canva and then add it to a Behance project the correct way so it plays smoothly on your portfolio. Start by heading to Behance and signing in. Open your profile menu and choose Create a Project. This opens the project editor, which is where your GIF will live alongside images and text. You can give the project a working title and leave everything else for later. We just need the editor ready so we can drop in the animation once it's exported. Now switch over to Canva. Create a new presentation slide or a custom-sized canvas that matches how you want the GIF to appear on Behance. Import your photos, illustrations, or screenshots and lay them out cleanly. Add motion using Canva's element or page animations. Subtle moves like fade, slide, or rise. Keep things polished and professional. Adjust the duration of each element or page so the timing feels intentional. Short loops, somewhere around 3 to 6 seconds, usually look best and keep file sizes manageable. Consistent colors, fonts, and spacing will help your animation feel cohesive in a Behance project. When your design is ready, click Share in the top corner, then choose Download. Change the file type to GIF from the drop-down. If your design includes multiple pages, decide whether you want all pages in the animation or just a specific one and select accordingly. You can also adjust the export size here. Larger dimensions are crisper, but they lead to bigger files. Aim for a balance that looks sharp without being heavy. Then click Download and wait for Canva to generate the GIF. Head back to your Open Behance project editor. Click Add Image and select the GIF you just downloaded. Behance treats GIFs as images, so this is the correct option to get your animation into the project. Once it uploads, you should see it animate in place. If it doesn't, give it a moment to finish processing, or try a slightly smaller export from Canva to reduce the file size and improve playback. You can add descriptive text above or below the GIF to explain your concept or process, and rearrange blocks in the editor to create a clear visual story. Use the preview to confirm the GIF loops as expected and that the pacing feels right in context with your other content. When everything looks good, your Behance project is ready to showcase your new animated GIF seamlessly.